We are exploring. This time we're at Tar Camp Park near Redfield, Arkansas. That is maybe 30 miles or so south of Little Rock. Let's go and have a closer look. Tar Camp Park is mainly a campground, but you can have a picnic here or bring your boat or just take a walk. Here, close to the entrance area of the park, they have a map to make sure you don't get lost. We are here. Alright, let's go and have a look. Here's an overview of some part of the park. In the distance you can see the Arkansas River. Here are some picnic benches under these tall trees so that you're in the shade in summer. At the moment, although this is a sunny day in November, it's probably too cold for a picnic. No camping. Picnic only. There's one of the covered picnic benches, and I'm gonna show you how close to the water you can get. Tar Camp Park was named this because during the Civil War they used to coat wooden ships with tar in order to prevent leakage. There you go. Isn't this amazing how close you can get to the water? You can bring your picnic stuff and eat and drink it while you're 20 feet away from the Arkansas River. Swimming is not recommended though, because the shores are steep and you would have trouble getting out. Here we're at the boat ramp. This area here, what's now named Tar Camp Park, during the Civil War it was also considered to be the location of a fort. But the Confederate States Army opted for a location for a fort north of Pine Bluff instead. It was named Fort Pleasant, I believe. Here is a little bay over to the right, and there's a boat dock and a guy in a boat. Oh, he's waving hello to us. How friendly. There's a view of the Arkansas River from this position here. And over here, there's a bench at this beautiful spot where you can enjoy a view of the Arkansas River. Wow, here we're looking at the upriver side, and I'm swinging the camera over to the downriver side. And there's our friend in his boat. Wow, that is fast. He is probably going to do some fishing somewhere. Here's a final look or overview of the Arkansas River here at Tar Camp Park near Redfield, Arkansas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it.